Graden of Gods, Colorado. Graden of the Gods is a park located in Colorado, the United States. It's well known for its unique rock formations, rich greenery, and hiking trails. It was ranked the second best park in the country and was designated a National Natural Landmark in 1971. The cherry on top is that it is completely free to visit. In today's video, we're going to discuss some of the most popular hiking trails in the Graden of the Gods, as well as where to stay. Do you know why it's known as the Graden of Gods? And what species of dinosaur skull was discovered there? To find out, watch the video till the end. The area now known as the Graden of the Gods was once known as Red Rock Corral by the Europeans. How did the park get its name? Well, actually, a random gossip between two people led to its name. In August 1859, two explorers who assisted in the establishment of Colorado City explored this region. M.S. Beach, one of the surveyors, suggested that it would be a capital position for a beer garden. Awestruck by the spectacular rock structures, his friend, the youthful Rufus Cable, yelled, "Beer garden? Why, it's a fitting spot for the gods to congregate. We're going to call it the Graden of the Gods." And that is how it got its name. The park covers an area of 1,300 acres comprising various hiking trails and spectacular sandstone formations. It is a valuable natural resource. In terms of biodiversity, geology, climate, and landscapes, it is described as the most stunning contrast between plains and mountains in North America. A dinosaur skull was discovered in the park in 1878 and was later recognized as a new species, the Eophytalia kerri, in 2006. About 6 million tourists per year visit the Graden of Gods, drawn by its beauty, history, and landscapes. What would be the best time for visiting the Graden of Gods? The average temperature at the Graden of Gods varies greatly. Due to humidity, the weather feels cold for about half of the year, otherwise pleasant, with a very low likelihood of rain or snow. So the ideal time would be from September to April, as June, July, and August are the hottest months. Weather is moderate between September to April and is ideal for enjoying physical activities. Okay, now let's talk about what attractions you should make sure to check out and what activities you can enjoy there. The Graden of Gods is brimming with endless outdoor adventures. One can never get bored with the premises on the park. Although hiking is what draws the majority of visitors to the park provides a variety of hiking opportunities, including super easy paved trails that are ideal for children and the elderly. Everyone deserves to have a good time. Let's talk about the top hiking routes in the area that you shouldn't miss. The top 5 trails are as follows. The first one is Central Garden Trail. It's a 1.5-mile round-trip concrete trail with very little elevation gain and takes you right into the heart of the park. Plus, it's super easy to hike, and ideal if you are a beginner. The Palmer Trail is the second walk trail we would recommend to you. The hike is a 2.5-mile loop. It's on our list because it's an excellent route to see every type of landscape and rock formation found around the park. And the challenge level of this trail would be moderate, depending on which side tracks you take. The Siamese Twins Trail is another famous trail in the Graden of the Gods. It's an almost half-mile loop and is pretty easy to hike with an elevation gain of 150 feet. The Siamese Twins are so fascinating to look at that you don't want to miss the gorgeous view of Pikes Peaks. The Ridge Path is the next hiking trail in our recommendation. It is a little more difficult to hike than the other trekking paths and covers a shorter distance of roughly half a mile with a 100-foot elevation gain. It would be unjust not to enjoy rock climbing in the Graden of Gods, which is literally known for its rock formations. Wear solid shoes with a strong grip and be cautious. As much fun as it is, it can also be pretty dangerous. And if you're feeling a little adventurous and want to explore the park on your own, you should definitely not miss biking. You can easily rent a bike and wander around on suitable trails. If you're interested in horseback riding, you should visit the Academy Riding Stables, which provide excellent tours. Also, check out Triple B Ranch, which is located at the base of Pikes Peak and provides horseback trips into Pike National Forest. The view is stunning. Another activity that you can enjoy in the magnificent park is camping. Garden of Gods is perfect for camping, but don't forget to bring the camping essentials with you, which includes a tent, sleeping bag, a water bottle, a first aid kit, a map, which you can also get from the information desk, a flashlight with extra batteries, and a pocket knife. Obviously, you cannot forget about bringing something to eat. No matter the trek trail you choose, bring a water bottle with you. Stay hydrated, and if you have altitude sickness, be cautious because rock climbing can be difficult. Garden of Gods not only offers a variety of enjoyable outdoor activities, but it is also rich in the stunning landscapes that should be captured by your camera lens. So don't forget to take photos of the Garden of Gods, especially during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset. Sitting on a rock and watching the sunset while the sun paints the rock with beautiful hues is an experience you won't want to miss, right? Garden of Gods also includes eating facilities if you wish to grab a bite after having fun exploring the park. Bean Sprouts is a healthy choice with an award-winning children's menu. Check out Sugar's, a casual restaurant in a historic building, which is a hidden treasure and local favorite in town. Try the spicy Brazilian shrimp soup on the patio and re-energize yourself. The other dining options that are near the park include Adams Mountain Cafe, which would be perfect for breakfast, the Crystal Park Cantina, which serves delicious Mexican food. Now, where to stay when visiting the Garden of Gods? Let's take a look at our top 3 recommendations. Our top pick is a 1,450 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The gorgeous Casa Claudio comprises newly installed appliances and furniture. It is suitable for a large group of up to 8 persons. If you are traveling in your own vehicle, Casa Claudio has a garage for 1 car, so you won't have to bother about parking. It also includes a kitchen, a living room, and a yard. Moreover, it is less than 2 miles from Garden of the Gods, Manitou Springs, the Incline, Cave of the Winds, and many other tourist destinations. The second one on our list is this magnificent home, which not only has a lovely interior but also a stunning view, making your stay magical. This vacation-style house is 2,800 square feet in size and includes 4 bedrooms with a total of 5 comfortable beds. It offers 2 full bathrooms as well as a spa-style 5-piece master bath that you'll never want to leave. It also features a fully equipped kitchen with high-quality items, allowing you to prepare your favorite dishes. It also includes a cozy TV room downstairs with a comfortable couch, a fireplace, and a TV with over 400 channels, so you'll never be bored. Last but not least on our list is a comfortable vacation home. This modern house perched above downtown Manitou Springs is 2,400 square feet house and has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. The house has a lovely outside terrace with a flowing waterfall. Amenities like air conditioning, internet, TV, and parking are also available. The Garden of the Gods is much more than just a collection of rock formations. The entire area is jam-packed with adventurous sports. You can do practically everything inside this iconic park, from Segway tours and horseback riding to hiking and rock climbing. Not only that, the scenery of this park is exceptionally beautiful, making it an ideal location for photography. Garden of Gods is definitely a treat for the people of Colorado as they can visit it any other day. All in all, it's definitely worth your visit. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like this, make sure to check out our similar videos available on our channel.